Uh-oh, here we go. You better run. Daddy throw the beanbag? No! You tired? What? You ran too far. I can't throw it that far. You gotta come back. You gotta come back. You gotta come back. I missed. You get tired? I cannot throw it that far, Jordan. I can't toss it that far. You gotta come back this way. You tired of playing? Hey, be careful. I can't toss it all the way over there, Jordan. Uh-oh, be careful. You gotta hand me the beanbag. Yeah, watch it. You gotta hand me the beanbag. You stuck? You can't get up? You done? You all finished? You don't want to play anymore? Here, bring me your book bag. I'll put your book back on. Bring it to me. Bring me your Mickey Mouse book bag. No, this one right here. Right here. Bring me this one. Not that. You can't wear that one here. Come here. Let's put this one on. You don't want to put it on? Okay, I guess that's it.